The Delta State government has officially inaugurated the Technical Working Group on Water, Sanitation and Hygiene (WASH) to promote hygiene for vulnerable persons. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Water Resources, Dr. Charles Diaye, stated this while inaugurating the members of the WASH Technical Working Group in Asaba. Dr. Diaye stressed the need for the group to look into the various components of hygiene, namely promotion of water supply, excretal disposal, vector control, solid waste management, and drainage. The Water Resources Permanent Secretary urged all inaugurated members of WASH and the Technical Working Group to develop partnership with international organizations, non-governmental organizations, the private sector and civil society, UNICEF and other relevant bodies with a view to enhancing water, sanitation and hygiene sector. According to him, the State Ministry of Water Resources is saddled with the responsibility of coordinating, while the State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, is the focal agency for management and response, and called on stakeholders to endorse the term of reference and implementation in line with actual working plan. The General Manager, Rural Water Supply and Sanitation Agency, RWASA, Mr. Clement Adiotome, who gave an overview of the water, sanitation and hygiene in Nigeria, said the WIE and the TWG was constituted in 2012 and in 2020 as a result of the flood that ravaged the country during that period, which led to the outbreak of cholera and other water-related diseases. He noted that some states was unattended to by partners and other donor agencies, which Delta State was one of such states, and had necessitated the need for Delta State to be given evidence-based actors that will enhance accountability for effective policy implementation. The chairman, WIE, and TWG, Mrs. Jane Emonina, sued for cooperation between the inaugurated members of the group and noted that the establishment of the Delta WIE and the TWG was to create synergy for a better service delivery between the WASH and the Technical Working Group. Highlights was the inauguration of members drawn from various groups to include ministries of water resources, environment, health, economic planning, local government, among other sectors.